If you've chosen WordPress as a platform to build your website on, you're the lucky one, because you're going to have access to loads of beautiful pre-made themes that you can download and use right out of the box. Let me present you top 5 fast, functional, and gorgeous-looking WordPress themes that you can get on templatemonster.com. Note that they are all easy to customize and manage, so any of those themes can look just the way you want. The first theme I'm going to show you is one of the biggest sellers one can find on Template Monster Marketplace. Monstroid 2 is a multi-purpose WordPress theme, meaning it can be utilized for any type of website. It features a collection of 16 various and ready-to-use skins that you can use for both personal and corporate projects. Every single page of this theme is fully editable, so you can easily change any elements you want. It's also responsive and mobile-friendly, so will be performing of mobile devices with no trouble. You can also get a ton of pre-installed widgets and plugins, a possibility to run a web store, a 24/7 professional customer support. The next theme we are having a look at is EasyJet. It's also multi-purpose and offers over 12 homepage layouts. The built-in Elementor page builder makes it really quick and effortless to bring the personal style to the layout as you drag and drop multiple elements. As the cool bonus, the theme is loaded with 90 free high-quality images and premium extensions. Woostroid is a WordPress theme going with WooCommerce plugin that allows you to run an online store right from the WordPress dashboard. You get 10 pre-designed skins and Elementor page builder, which makes page customization extremely easy and quick. As all the others, this theme is fully responsive and mobile-friendly. It goes along with pre-installed plugins and widgets, so you can use the theme right upon the purchase. BuildWall is a WordPress theme having tons of pre-made demos and ready-to-use pages. It's intended for construction companies, but with this theme, you get full creative freedom and create any type of a website you want. BuildWall goes with drag-and-drop Elementor page builder. As always, you get pre-installed plugins and widgets and fully responsive design. Plus, you can easily create your online store with a fully loaded WooCommerce package. Hazel is a minimal, clean, and modern WordPress theme, going with 9 pre-built skins with tons of ready-to-use pages. It's easy to install and set up, packaged with awesome premium plugins, and has fully responsive design. You can customize it the way you want and give it a unique look to reflect your creative personality. It's perfect for blogs, portfolio websites, and more. I hope you enjoyed watching this collection of the top premium WordPress themes you can get on Template Monster Marketplace. Find the links in the description and see them yourself.